I'm going to show you how to save your Photoshop projects. So here we have our document, and to save it I'm going to go up here to the menus and click File, and if it's the first time you're saving your file you're going to go to Save As so that you can name it. If you've already saved it you can just click Save here and it'll save it without anything popping up. It just saves it in the background. Notice you can press Command S to make that happen. But since this is the first time I'm saving, I'm going to go to Save As. I'm going to click on that. And then this window right here pops up. What we want to do is click this little arrow right here. And that makes the window bigger and gives us more options for where we want to save it. So what you want to do is you want to click on your desktop here in the sidebar. And then you want to find your name file here in the list. If you haven't created a name file on your desktop yet, there's another video that teaches you how to do that. So I'll click on Mr. Justin here. So now that this is highlighted, that's where the file is going to save to. It's very important that you keep your files organized. And then here in Save As, I want to rename my file. I'm going to leave this PSD here at the end because that tells the computer what type of file it is. And this is a Photoshop document, PSD. So I'm going to leave that and a little period there, and I'm just going to highlight the rest there, and I'm going to name my file. I want to make sure you put your name in the file so I know who made it. And then give it a title. So this is Intro to Photoshop. Like that. Now we can leave everything else just the way it is. And then we're going to click this blue Save button right here. And then this might pop up just talking about the format of the document. You can just click OK. And then the document is saved. And now, every time I want to save it from there, I can just go up to File, and actually I've already saved it, so it's not going to let me save it again because there's no new changes. But if I were to go to my brush here and add something like that, now when I go up here to File, Save, it will let me save it. Notice nothing pops up, it just saves it in the background, and we're all good. And just to make sure the file's saved, I can go down here to my Finder, click on the little happy face. Here's my Finder window, and if I go to my desktop and my name file, I can see that here's the file I created. There it is, good to go. I can turn it in, I can open it up later. So if I go over here and close Photoshop, and if I double click on this Photoshop file, double click, it opens up the file for me and I'm ready to keep editing. Alright, that's it.